K2 trek via Gandagorola, Faisal Masjid. Today we arrange Islamabad city tour. It's Royal Inn at Damaneku, Islamabad. People are enjoying night musical show at Royal Inn Damaneku. Today early morning we are at the Islamabad airport to fly Skardu. Amazing view of Islamabad airport from the sky. The amazing snow lane called Karakoram. We can see all 5 big walls: K2, Broad Peak, G1, G2 and Nanga Parbat. Do you know we are near to land at Skardu airport? Look the beauty of Skardu Valley. The plane landed at Skardu airport. Thanks God. What an amazing view. We are very happy today. Our friends from Italy, Rome. Skardu city tour. Shahi polo ground, live match of polo. Karfocho fort is an oldest fort constructed for security purpose of the king. Cold Desert is a high altitude desert located near Skardu. It is one of the highest deserts in the world. Traveling toward Desai Plateau from Skardu, Satpara Lake are called mini dam. Now we arrived at Desai National Park top after 2 hours drive from Skardu. Desai National Park is a high altitude alpine plain plateau located in Skardu, Baltistan. Its average elevations are 401,040 meters above sea level, and it is considered as the second highest plateau in the world. Recheck your stuff carefully, like sock, shoe, pant, shirt, coats, rainy coats, etc. If anyone is missing, arrange before entering the wilderness of mountain. It's our last evening in hotel. Now we are going to Jula from Skardu. Click our next video for the journey of Skardu to Jula. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.